Hey there, beautiful people. I hope you are having a creative day. In this video, I will show you how to create a free website using Google Sites, connect your own domain, and sell your products, services, and so on. Having a website today is really important because it can help you increase your online presence, sell more, and increase the profit. This method will help you get a free website for lifetime. Only thing you have to pay for is the domain, which only costs you around $1 or $2 for the first year and $4 to $5 after that. The first thing you need to do is go to the Google sites. You have to create your own Google account. Then you can choose the template gallery. You can choose any website from this template gallery, or you can create one from scratch. For this tutorial, I'm gonna go with the blank site. The first thing we're gonna do is connect a domain because that's gonna take some time. So go to the custom domain, click on Start Setup, and write the name of your domain. You can buy the domain from Hostinger, which is my personal favorite platform. And once you are done with that, Google Sites will check whether you own the domain. And if not, it will ask you to verify the ownership. So click on it, and it will take you to the Google Search Console where you can add your domain, list your website on Google. So you have to write the name of your domain here. It is done automatically, and click on Continue. After that, you will receive a text record here. So simply copy it, go back to your domain DNS name server, which you can find in the dashboard. In the Manage DNS record, select text, and in the text value, just paste the record you have copied from here and click on Add Record. Go back to the Search Console and click on Verify. Okay. And as you can see, we now have the ownership of the domain verified. You can go back to the property, and here you can see all the record about how your website is performing on Google search. Go back to the Google site, and now as you can see, we have the domain name verified, so we can go ahead and click on next. The next thing I'm going to do is point the domain to this website. To do that, you have to copy this record here. So copy this, go back to the DNS name server. And if there is already a www name server here, delete it. And add a new record, cname www, and in the target, simply paste the record. Remember to also copy the dot, the period at the end, and add the record. All right. And now your domain is connected to this website. It will take some time to connect the website with the domain. All right, so your domain is now connected to the site. Now let's design some basic elements of the website. The first thing you need to do is, of course, write the name of the website. And needed, you can also add a logo. So I'm just going to add a logo here. Also add the alternative text, which is good for the SEO. Just write what this image is about. The next thing we're going to add is the favicon, which should be around 500 pixel, and it will appear on top here. So these small images are the favicons. Once you are done with that, close it. And here you have to add the page title. Every page of your website should have only one title. Okay, so this is going to be your main website title. If you have already added one title, do not add it again. This is the best SEO practice. Also, you can choose the header type. You can select the banner, the title only, the large banner, cover, and so on. For this one, I'm going to go with the banner. And you can also add your own background image as well. Now, with this website, I want to sell some template. So I'm just going to add some content blocks. And here I can add, let's say, this is the preview of a website. Right, so you can now connect this link to the product link, the product page of your website. And you can do the same with these elements as well. You can add multiple content if you have more. And between the content, you can also add the title. So let's say I have different categories. I can add the text block, assign a heading, and then add another content block here where I will add all the e-commerce templates. And you can do the same thing with other elements as well. After that, let's add some frequently asked questions. Remember, I'm just going to show you as an example. You have to make sure that you design your website with more content, as much content as you can add. Also, do not use AI content generator like ChatGPT. They are bad for the SEO. Write your own content, make them more relevant. So FAQ here, let's add collapsible group. You can write your question here and answer here. Let's add one more, one more, one more. So these are your FAQs. All right, now let's create the product page for this product. Okay, let's say this is the real estate website template. Go to pages, add a new page, and after that, I'm gonna add some images. So to do that, I'm just gonna add this image cursor here and upload different images. Okay, let's say these are the previews of the real estate website. Okay, so this is the slideshow with the preview of the website. You can go to the settings and add the caption in these images. And for each image, make sure to add the alternative text as well. Do the same for all the images. Now let's add a button where we can share the link where people can buy this product. Now for the product, you can use different platforms. One of the platforms is the Gumroad. Although this is a really good platform with all the features, like you can sell all the products. So you can go to products here, add your own products. This is absolutely free. The platform is free. You can add courses, ebooks, membership, physical goods, bundles, and donation as well. Um, the problem with this platform is that it takes 10% cut. So if you are okay with it, you can use this platform. It's really good. But if you don't want to do that, you can also use the PayPal button, get the shipping address and everything. Or one of my personal favorite is the Buy Me a Coffee. So this platform also allows you to sell physical, digital product, membership, and so on. So you can use any of these platform. Another one is the Calendly. This platform allows you to take bookings. So if you have some sort of services, you can use this platform. Let's say you have pet grooming or similar services, you can use this platform as well. It also has a free pricing plan. There are many different options to choose from, but these are my personal favorite. So let's say we have the product link. Just add the link here and the name here. You can also design the button yourself, set its width, and set the link right here. After that, add some content. So add the text box where you can write the description of this template. Then you can add some images. Now go to the published page, copy the link, come back to your home page, and you can then now you can connect the product page using these links. And then the product page will go to the external checkout page. Another thing you can do is integrate your own forms as well. So if you want to add, receive some sort of, let's say, restaurant orders, you can use the Google form as well. So go to the Google form, design your own form, and receive different types of orders on your website. Now you can use all of these elements in your website. You can add a video, you can add a calendar, the map of your business. You can add the sheets, the forms, of course, and you can also use the charts. You should also add a footer in your website where you can add your copyright notice. You can also add the social links. So just add a Facebook icon, for example, and add your link right here. Okay, so all your social links will be added in the footer. So after you are done with the entire design, I have just give you the rough sketch. You can now create the entire website. I'm going to create a tutorial on how to create advanced website using the Google Sites. Um, I'm going to drop the link when it's done in the description. But after you are done with this, click on publish and publish right here. If you want to stop search engines from indexing your website, so if you are working on website right now, click on this and search engines won't index this website. But by default, keep it unchecked. Another thing you can add, which is really cool, is the announcement banner where you can add all your offers or announcements. You can also add the links. So if you have any sale going on, you can show them right here. Okay, so we have the announcement banner right here. After you are done with everything, you can also change the theme colors right here or choose fall themes like this. So after everything is done, click on publish. And as you can see, now our website is live. I have the banner here. I have the product here. I can click on it and go to the product page where people can see the product right here. Okay, so this is the preview of all the website pages. You can click on the buy link and it will take you to the domain where they can buy the product. But yeah, now you have the fully functional website. Whenever you add the page, go to the search console, paste the link here, and click on request indexing, and Google will index this page and rank it based on the content quality in their search results. But yeah, this is how you can create your own website, add many more functionality. I will create a detailed video on how you can add more cool design elements in this website and make it look more professional. So that's in another video. But for this video, I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.